we are proud to present Not the Same, a workshop dedicated to creativity, collaboration, and cultural exchange, organized by the Faculty of Art and Design at the International Balkan University, in collaboration with the Department of Interior Design at Yeditepe University at Istanbul. Over 4 inspiring days, from the 30th of October to the 2nd of November, the workshop brought together students and academics in a shared journey of discovery, exploring the relationship between heritage, space, and contemporary design. This unique experience was shaped through shared learning, cross-cultural dialogue, and creative exchange. From the International Balkan University, the workshop was coordinated by Assistant Professor Dr. Ferhan Egemen Sunal, Professor Dr. Maya Juraska, Associate Professor Dr. Vladimir Georgievsky, and Associate Professor Dr. Maria Miloshevskaya-Nakieska. From Yeditepe University, the visiting academic team included Assistant Professor Dr. Aslan Nayeb, Assistant Professor Dr. Donya Dalir, and Lecturer Eren Okar, under the coordination of the Faculty of Architecture. Their participation greatly enriched the academic and cultural exchange between both institutions, fostering mutual understanding and long-term collaboration.
Our project is about getting inspiration from the Alaca Mosque in Tetova and reflecting on our works from different departments of our university with students. So on day 1, we went on a field trip to get observations, information and inspiration from Alaca Mosque. And today here we are doing a workshop with our professors and students, and hopefully we are going to have a creative, fruitful day. And also our project is in collaboration with Yeditepe University from Istanbul.
At the heart of the program was a field visit to the Alaca Mosque in Tetova, a stunning example of Ottoman-era architecture in one of the region's most important cultural landmarks.
We have been invited here for the workshop Not the Same. Actually, the concept of the workshop was around the Alaca Mosque that we had the first field trip actually. And after that, working with the data that we have brought there, we began to improve some new projects with our students.
Guided by Mr. Mahmoud Emini and Mr. Emir Kasami of the Tetova Muftiate, the participants explored the mosque's intricate ornamentation, layered symbolism, and harmonious spatial design. The workshop came to life through dynamic brainstorming sessions, dedicated mentorship, and a vibrant collaborative atmosphere. Through hands-on design work, students transformed their observations and research into conceptual and spatial interpretations inspired by the Alaca Mosque, encouraging deep reflection, innovation, and artistic expression. Not the Same proved how historical spaces can inspire contemporary design thinking. Drawing from the architectural and decorative richness of the Alaca Mosque, participants explored how cultural heritage can influence design, connecting the past and present through creativity and diversity.
Yesterday was very good. We enjoyed it a lot. We gathered a lot of information and now we are implementing it today.
They have this texture. As an architect to be, what I caught up as a detail was the textures yesterday. I started touching the walls and everything, and that was something new and exciting for me. We are eager to find out how the results are going to show up, and we believe in the process.
I joined the workshop to have a better experience with my vision about interior. I would like to experience way more about different colors, different textures and everything.
In doing so, Not the Same showed that revisiting history is not about repetition, but about reimagining, opening new forward-looking perspectives in design where unity and variation coexists in creative harmony.